Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. Begin by going into Play Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, you need to set it up. Begin by clicking on I agree at the top. Then tap on Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on the second one, I agree. Confirm, Continue, Allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. To close it, hit OK. Now you can select Close in white pop-up at the top or just click on your screen. Then hit Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Samsung tablet. Then go back to Android smartphone and using all of those categories available at the top, select multiple files that you wish to transfer. When you finished, just click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then hit Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. In order to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon on your tablet. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in the same order. And finally, hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, after selecting one of those options in Ads pop-up and hitting Close, I can check out all of mine transferred files. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!